Hello friends, if you're new here, bienvenidos, hajimemashite, and my name is Hilary. So today is actually a very fun video that I have for you guys, and it is actually my first ever haul makeup video. So if you like this, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this, and also leave a comment letting me know if you like this kind of stuff. So I actually recently, well not that recent, like a couple weeks ago, I made a big purchase on makeup. Not just makeup though, some brushes and some other stuff we'll get into from the makeup company BH Cosmetics. Now I actually did own a few products from BH Cosmetics before I ordered from them this time. I had a set of their brushes, but they were pretty like cheap and just kind of one of the ones that my parents got me when I was first interested in makeup that had like a lot of eye ones and some face ones. But today I actually made another purchase on brushes from them and my first palette purchases from them. So we're just gonna hop right in and start with the first product. So the first products that I have for you guys are these two liquid lipsticks. There's this shade, which is called Ginger. I mean, how could I not, right? And it is a metallic liquid lipstick. And there's also this shade, which is Lucinda, the shade Lucinda. My sister actually picked this one out, but you know, we kind of share or whatever. So these are the two that I have for today. I was thinking about swatching them. Actually, yeah, I'll go ahead. I'll swatch some of them. Okay, interesting. It's very like, obviously it's very metallic, but it's very like creamy. A lot of liquid lipsticks that I have are very like silky almost. Like you put them on your lips and they kind of like slide, I guess. I don't know how to describe that until they dry down. But this one is like, it doesn't seem to have that kind of texture with it. So I'm just gonna do this purple one real quick. Oh wow, that literally stained the inside of it, so I hope this doesn't stain my lips or anything. So yep, and those are both the same type of liquid lipsticks, so like they should be, I think, very similar to the same formula. And now moving on to the next products. So next is this pack of eye brushes. It's called the Smoky Eye Essential 7-piece makeup brush set. Oh sorry, 7-piece brush set. And I'm just gonna open up these real quick. Okay, interesting. They're all individually wrapped. Not quite what I was expecting, but that's fine. So let's just go through these together. This one is a number 5 brush. This looks like a pretty standard fluffy brush. This one's a number 3, a very fluffy brush. Wow, that one looks really good. Next we have a number 1, which is the biggest one we have, so wow. Next we have a number 6, which is very small. Not quite a liner brush, but, well, maybe if you're using eyeshadow, but definitely for precision right there. And next we have a number 4. This is pretty standard shape and size for like eyeshadow brushes, kind of comparable to this one that I have, a little bit bigger. Nothing new there, but this one I'm really excited about. This one's the number 7. It's actually got this angled tip for like wings and stuff. I've never had an angled brush before, so I was very excited to get one with this set. And lastly we have the number 2 brush. Pretty standard fluffy brush. Okay, the next product we have, I'm really excited about this one. It's this palette called the Color Festival. And I'm sorry guys, I looked at this one before because I couldn't help myself. It was just so pretty and the packaging was so nice, I couldn't help myself. But if we look inside here, oh, that's me. These are the shades. Comment your favorite one below. My favorite is probably Groove right here, but I haven't actually tried these out yet. That's just from looking at them in the pan. And lastly, moving on to the thing I am most excited about, we have this whole set. It says Opallusion Mystic, and it has a makeup brush, a palette, and an eyeliner. So we got a lot to unbox here. So let's just get into it, you know? Okay, so I think everything is in this, oh wow, you can't see it. Everything is in this single makeup bag right here. And it's kind of cool because it's kind of see-through, but also like not really. So that's kind of cool. I want to save the palette for last, but so let's go through everything else. We have this brush. This does not have a number or anything. It's just a fluffy brush. Next we got this BH liquid eyeliner. Actually I was kind of excited about this because my other liquid eyeliners were starting to dry up, so I was really happy that this came in this package. So it's a felt tip. So you can see there. I actually really like this. And then last but not least, we have this 16 color eyeshadow. Wow. This color festival one is a 20 color. But we'll see what we think of it once we get it opened up. Just took the little cover thing off. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That is so cute. Wow. Okay, I really like this. This palette actually really surprises me because it does even have a mirror in it, which a lot of little palettes don't even have. And I think this would be great for like traveling. So I want to talk real quick about pricing. I bought all of this on sale during like the 4th of July weekend. So I think I have the prices written down right here. For the 2 liquid lipsticks, I paid $2.25 per liquid lipstick, so almost $5 total though. And right now they're on sale for $6.30 a piece. I mean, I'm really happy that I got them for what I did. That's like almost a third of what they're priced right now, so I'm really happy about that. But we'll get into what I think it's worth later. And for this color festival palette, I paid $6 for it, and it's on sale right now for $15. So I got that well under half price, but still $15 for 20 shades. If you really like the color story, and we'll see how like what the quality are later. I would definitely think that might be a good idea. So next for the brush set, that came with 7 brushes I think, and I paid $9 for it. It's still up for $9 right now at BH Cosmetics. So that's a little over $1 per brush. And if you're like me and you are like doing a lot of eyeshadow looks per week, I think that it's definitely a good investment. And next, the Opallusion Mystic, which included the little palette, the makeup bag, the liquid eyeliner, and the singular eye brush. I paid $11.40 for that, and it's on sale right now for $14.25. So I personally still think that's a great deal. So thinking about the look I'm going to create with all of this, and looking across both palettes that I have, they both have a lot of like pinks and purples and blues in their palettes. So I think I'm going to start this little orange color, and I'm taking the number 3 brush from that set, and I'm going to put it above my crease, right above my inner corner. And next I'm taking this color Pop, and I'm blending it from that orange out just a little. And next, taking the number 2 brush, I'm going into the color Sequence and repeating that same process. And finally taking this dark blue shade in the little palette and finishing out that winged eyeshadow. I really like the way that looks so far. I was kind of worried about blending that dark blue into the purple color, but it actually kind of worked like super well. So that's really good. Okay, next I'm going to take some concealer and curve this out a little bit. Next I'm going in with this shade Candy on the little 6 brush. Remember, this is like that. I said that was, well, no, I said Groove was one of the shades I really liked, but Candy is kind of like a glitter version of that. So don't forget to tell me your favorite shade in these palettes down in the comments below. And what I kind of want to do is I want to make like a glitter wing matching these colors and going out. So I'm going to start at the inner corner with this on this little brush. And next I'm taking this shade and continuing that wing for the purple colors using the same brush. I just cleaned it off a little bit. And then going into another one of my favorite colors from this palette, Denim, which is this super like metallic neon blue almost, and trying to finish out that wing. And finally, I'm gonna take this shade here called Banger and use this to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Before I say my final thoughts, I'm going to put on the Ginger Liquid lipstick that I picked out and put it on my lips, do my other eye off camera, and then I'll be back. So this is my completed look. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below. And now I'm just going to proceed to give my final thoughts on this makeup. So first I'm going to start off least to favorite. So the things that I might not recommend out of all the things I bought were these liquid lipsticks. I don't think they're bad. Like, as you can see, like, it does like stay, and I was just trying to wipe them off and you can see it still like stained my arm, so they're not going anywhere. But I don't know if you can see, but it's like super sheer. This is 2 layers of it, because one was just like not doing it for me, but maybe that's just me. I think if you really like liquid lipsticks, then go for it. Like I said, I paid $2.25 a piece for these, so I personally think it was worth it. But right now they're on sale for $6.30 a piece, so I might pass that up. And next I'm going with the brush collections. So there were 7 brushes, and I actually really like this. Maybe this is just because I didn't have enough makeup brushes before, but I love these. I think that there's such a variety of brushes, and they can kind of work for like anything. Like, they have a liner brush, they have like 3 fluffy brushes. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend that brush set. $9 right now, pretty good for the price. Like I said, just a little over $1 per brush, which really isn't bad, especially for a cheap alternative to, you know, like Morphe brushes that are like $5 to $10 a piece per brush. So yeah, I would definitely consider buying that one again. Next, another product that I really enjoyed today is the Color Festival palette. 20 colors, a very wide variety. You can see we have like the nudes up in this corner, and then definitely the more crazy side over there. So I think there would be quite a few different looks that you could do with this. Like I said, there are nude shades in this palette, so just a quick everyday glam would be super easy with that. And moving on to my favorite product, it is actually the palette, the brush, the liquid eyeliner, and the makeup bag that I got. I did not try this brush out, sadly, and I only tried the liquid eyeliner on my hand, but like, I mean, it seems pretty good to me. Yeah, and this palette, I seriously just love it. Oh my gosh, it is just like the cutest thing ever. The color story in it is very similar to the big one. I kind of like this one better because, like I said, of just how portable it is. This has a mirror, and for the palette, brush, bag, and liquid eyeliner, I paid $11.40, and it's on sale right now for $14.25, which I still think is a great price. I mean, that sounds like a deal. And I want to say, this is in no way sponsored by BH Cosmetics. This is just my personal opinion and my review on the products that I purchased with my own money. So, if you like videos like this, please let me know. This was very new to me, and I just made a big order, and I was like, hey, maybe like an unboxing sort of thing would be what you guys like. So let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It seriously means so much to me. And comment down below. And if you like this video, press that subscribe button for more content like this. Ring the bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.